Marriage is a two-way relationship of mutual love, mutual respect, mutual service. Two-way. It's not one way. As the husband is loving the wife is submitting to the husband. Mutual. And when that happens, everything will go on well. In spite of the afflictions and the troubles that would come, you will stand your ground because you have one vision. And a house divided cannot stand. Both spouses should serve each other with humility, putting the needs of the other people before your own need, the other person before your own need, working together in harmony. And when you do that, you reflect the love of Christ to so many other people. Husband, honor your wives. Treat them with respect. And God says that if you don't treat your wives with respect, if you are bitter towards them, that can hinder your prayer.